कहते हैं कर्म करो तो फल मिलता है, आज नहीं तो कल मिलता है। जितना अधिक गहरा हो कुआं, जल उतना मीठा मिलता है। जीवन के हर कठिन प्रश्नों का जीवन से ही हल मिलता है। नमस्कार मेरे दोस्तों, मित्रों, भाइयों और सहपाठियों, मैं धीरेन्द्र कुमार अपने चैनल लर्निंग वर्ल्ड में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। इस चैनल के माध्यम से हमारी एक कोशिश है, हमारा एक प्रयत्न है, हमारा एक छोटा सा एफर्ट है कि आपके एजुकेशनल लेवल को बूस्टअप करें, आपके लर्निंग एटीट्यूड को डेवलप करें, आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग को बूस्टअप करें, आपके इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स को डेवलप करें, एनवायरमेंटल साइंस के बारे में आप जान पाएं, मार्केटिंग के बारे में समझ पाएं, बिजनेस के विभिन्न मुद्दों पे हम बात करेंगे, चाहे वो प्ले स्कूल हो या छोटा सा कोचिंग एस्टैब्लिश करने का विचार हो या एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो भी आप काम करना चाहते हैं in an educational institution, an educational platform. Here we are providing a very good information, and all information are actually based on practical guidelines. So from the basic level, the series of video we are providing. So dear friends, don't waste your time. Come and join with us. And here, the peoples who are coming in front of you, they are actually done since from 5 years to 4 years. They are working from the different fields, and they all are coming for you, and they are giving you from the very basic level to professional level. If you are watching the video, you will feel very much comfortable to talk the peoples who are giving you and who are giving you idea to boost up your confidence level and giving you the proper idea that how you are going to develop your business, how you are going to boost up your learning attitude, how you are going to develop your educational approach. These are all things we are going to talk by the means of these channels. So be with us, बने रहिए हमारे साथ, अंत तक देखिए वीडियो, ज्यादा बात आपको समझ में आएगी। यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग आपको आकर बताने वाले हैं इस चैनल के माध्यम से, they all are actually expert in their field. तो चूंकि आप जानते हैं एजुकेशन इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन विच वी कैन यूज टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड. सो फर्स्ट चेंज आवर सेल्फ, देन वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज? बाय एनहांसिंग आवर एजुकेशनल लेवल, बाय वर्किंग ऑन आवर इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, बाय बूस्ट अप आवर हिडन टैलेंट, एंड दिस थिंग्स all if we are getting the proper guidelines where the peoples are working from 3 to 5 years to 10 years, that all peoples are coming in front of you and they are giving you the proper guidelines. So dear friends, if you are actually looking to change yourself, actually if you are, have a desire to do something in your life that is meaningful, so this platform will guide you. By these channels you can get a different ideas, and by this idea you can also develop your one platforms where you can establish your career. So dear friends, be with us, like, subscribe, and at the last moment again I will meet with you. So be with us, watch this video till end, so make you understand that what the content we are going to provide, what the content we are going to provide. So be with us. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am here to talk to you about Mother Nature, environment in which we all live. Friends, what do you think? In which type of environment we are living? Do we are living in a pollution-free environment, or we are living in a polluted environment? Just look around yourself and you will get all your answers. The environment around us has been changed. Our environment has been degraded. Who is responsible for this change? Yes, we are responsible for this change. For the sake of little benefit, we are harming, we are polluting our priceless nature. The nature which cannot be recovered in a month. It will take a couple of years to get in its pristine condition. One of the great Russian writers, Leo Tolstoy, has stated that one of the first conditions of the happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. But Unfortunately, the link between man and nature is breaking. Now it's time to do something about our nature. It's time to self-realize what we have done so far and what we can do to protect our nature, what we can do to make our environment pollution free, what we should do to protect it. So friends, get ready to discuss all the problems and solutions related to our environment in our upcoming videos. So for this, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.
Marketing is an art, the art by which you sell your products to your customer. There are certain few points which we have to discuss if we are discussing marketing. The first thing for a marketer is to know your product, that is KYP, that is know your product. For selling a product, you first need to know the basis, that is the merits of your product, the demerits of your product, the price of your product, the availability of your product. You cannot sell a product where it is not available. You cannot sell a product where it is not affordable. So the second point that we will discuss is the know your customer. In this we have many points to discuss obviously, but we will touch just a few of them. The first thing is to know the needs of your customer. If you are selling something to the customer needs, it's easy to sell, it's easy to convince them to buy your product. But if you are selling something which is not needed to the customer, that will not help you to sell your product. Just for an example, if you are selling a person who wants to buy a TV, you are selling him a laptop, then it will not work. Or if it will only work if you have the convincing skills, or if you have the merits of your product. If you know the merits of your product, if you know the merits of the product, then you can say him that okay, buying a laptop is much more efficient to buy a laptop. Obviously, if you are buying a TV, you can only have few of them features. If you buy a laptop, you can get all the features of TV in a laptop. Then you can have some additional features also. Likewise, there are many things which you can explain. And the most important part, the third point, is the affordability. If you are targeting an audience which is not affordable to your product, it's not going to work. So that is the things. We have much more things that we will discuss later on these channels. In this channel, obviously, you can have you can learn many of things like music and languages, programming languages. You will learn something about your nature. You can learn English, spoken, personality development classes we have.
Hello everyone, I am Smita. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to discuss about the different ways of teaching. So basically, we need to understand what the teaching is. If as a teacher I am not capable to learn something new, how can I expect from our students that they will learn something new from us? So basically, teaching is something where you can need to update yourself. You need to understand the new things. And as we know that this new education policy is all about the practical oriented study. Why it is needed in this lockdown, or especially actually this is the problem we face every time, that our kid is not ready to learn only from books. They don't give that much serious effort to their books, notebooks, their homework, to their classwork or academic. So basically we need to do something through which our child can give some time to their academic, to their books, or basically they need to improve. Practical oriented studies, basically we are going to discuss about this. Why it is needed, as we know that whatever we will learn in books or in our notebooks, it's a human tendency that we will forget it. But when we will learn through the practical knowledge, or we do the practical, it will continue with us for a very long time. So basically we just need to do something in which our child give their interest, or basically they show their interest. So there are so many things that we can do for our kids, and I would like to start from some of the activity and these activity we will learn in our upcoming videos. So for that you can like, subscribe and share our channel with others who are interested. And in our upcoming videos we will learn about the new education policy. In that there are so many topics like coding, why coding is important, why practical oriented studies is important, and how we can enhance our child's hidden potential. So today's I think it's enough to discuss. So thank you everyone.
आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे कि हमारा कहने का तात्पर्य क्या है। आई होप आप ये समझ चुके होंगे कि इस वीडियो को बनाने के पीछे राज क्या है। आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। तो दोस्तों, अगर लाइफ में अलग अलग विषयों में अलग अलग लोगों के द्वारा एक अच्छे से जानकारी चाहते हैं, एक सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो 0 लेवल से लेकर प्रोफेशनल लेवल तक आपको सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो के माध्यम से, इस चैनल के माध्यम से आपको जानकारी मिलेगी, चाहे वो एनवायरमेंटल साइंस का हो, कोडिंग स्किल्स का हो, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग हो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज हो, मार्केटिंग हो या बिजनेस के बारे में जानना हो, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, स्कूल, प्ले स्कूल, प्री प्राइमरी स्कूल्स, ये सब अगर आपके विचार हैं खोलने का, मार्केटिंग में प्रॉब्लम है, फाइनेंस कितना चाहिए, क्या करें कि नंबर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट हमारे स्कूल में स्टार्टिंग के दौरान ही मिल जाए, ब्रांडिंग प्रमोशन कैसा होगा, कैसे करेंगे, मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड मैक्सिमम रिटर्न कैसे आएगा, इन सारे बातों पे हम लोग इस चैनल के माध्यम से आपको एक एक वीडियो प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, जिसमें सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो मिलेगा। तो ये सारे लोग आपको विभिन्न विषयों के बारे में या विभिन्न तथ्यों के बारे में आने वाले डिफरेंट टाइप के वीडियो से वो आपको बता पाएंगे। सो आई होप यू हैव लाइक मोस्ट दिस द टाइप्स ऑफ वीडियो, द टाइप्स ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म विच वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग। आई होप दिस थिंग्स विल हेल्प यू रियली in your practical life. So those who are looking to change their life, they can come, join and feel the difference what we are providing by the series of video. क्योंकि जीवन में प्रॉब्लम का आना ये पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ है, लेकिन इस प्रॉब्लम से निकल जाना ये आर्ट ऑफ लाइफ है। तो हम आर्ट ऑफ लाइफ पे विश्वास करते हैं। आप लोगों को भी जीवन में आने वाले विभिन्न समस्याओं को उससे निकले कैसे, उन सारे विषयों पे हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे और विभिन्न तरीकों से हम आप विभिन्न सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस के माध्यम से आपको बताएंगे। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा इसको शेयर करें, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि राह संघर्ष का जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। रातों की नींद जिसने जीती है सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है। तो देखते हैं आप लोगों में से कितने लोग इस वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइनिंग बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ this learning world channels. Here we are giving you the very basic means of learning. So thank you dear friends. I hope you will also be a part of this video. Thank you all of you.